Science of Sport is a nonprofit that focuses on empowering youth and providing resources to schools throughout the country, really focused on sports and using that as the mechanism to help kids with their academics, whether it be STEM education, mental health and wellness, financial literacy, making it real for the kids. So using something that they might already be interested in and kind of hooking them in to help them improve in their academics.
We learned about the different jobs that people have, like inspecting the grass, testing out if the helmets are right and stuff. And then we went over there and we worked on our snapping, throwing, and our reaction time. Today was really fun. All my classmates and I have been looking forward to it.
I learned how to do the snapper thing and the plastic bottle, you gotta throw the plastic bottle inside the trash. I did that and I did very well.
We worked with several elementary schools in the area and we got to learn about physics, how physics relates to the sport. In this case, it was Eagles football. And we also learned a little bit about sustainability, which Brascom plays a huge part in.
It was so fun. We did a lot of math, which has helped me a lot. We also got to do these Nerf bullet things. They were so fun. I want to be a marine biologist, and I feel like it takes a lot of math, so this helped me.
I really want to be a vet. I want to help out animals. I love animals. So I think the math with the quick thinking would help me.
It is really rewarding to get out here, work with some of these elementary school kids, help them learn about physics as it relates to sport, try to make it fun, get them out of the classroom, get them out of their seats. And I'm really proud to work for a company that enables them to do that.
Thank you to the Eagles and Brascom and all the volunteers that are out here today to help make this possible. These kind of opportunities are really unique and something that not a lot of students get to participate in, and you all are game changers in making this possible for the local community.